Two futures, one planet. Which path will we choose?
Data shows rising heat, swelling seas, disrupted ecosystems, urgent, measurable trends.
Solutions already work. Clean energy, efficient cities, restored nature, resilient communities. Your choices matter. Energy, food, travel, voice. Small steps compound.
Pair innovation with wisdom. Protect ecosystems. Power cleanly. Design for everyone.
The future isn't written. We write it today, together.
In 1,000 years, will Earth feel alien or more alive? Coastlines migrate, cities float, coral-built barriers soften storms. We manage climate with carbon forests, smart oceans, and gentle sunshades. Rewilded corridors stitch continents. Biodiversity rebounds with human stewardship. Two paths, collapse or care. Our choices today write Earth's 3025. Which will we choose? 1,000 years from now, does Earth thrive or fade? The clock starts now. Sea levels are higher. Heat extremes challenge us. But restoration tech revives reefs, wetlands, and carbon sinks. Clean energy powers everything. Materials are recycled in loops. AI steers climate risk without steering our choices.
We live alongside rewilded megafauna. Cities feel like forests. Culture diversifies, yet curiosity keeps us connected.
3025 isn't destiny, it's design. What we build today writes the next 1,000 years. Choose wisely.
100,000 years from now, what does Earth remember, and what do we leave behind? 100,000 years from now, what does Earth remember, and what do we leave behind? Milankovitch rhythms return. Ice advances and retreats. Today's carbon delays the next deep freeze, reshaping seas in the ocean conveyor. Continents drift slowly, but coastlines change faster. New islands surface, others sink. Hotspot chains lengthen, volcanoes breathe, mountains erode, then rise again through isostatic rebound. Life adapts, species branch, migrate, or vanish. Our cities weather into strata. Our stories persist in DNA, data, and rewilded landscapes. Look up. New constellations, slower days, familiar oceans. The future isn't fixed. It's shaped by choices we make today.
Million years. What does Earth look like? Let's compress deep time into 60 seconds. Climate pulses with ice ages. Coastlines shift. Unless greenhouse gases stay high, glacial cycles likely return and redraw habitats. Plates keep moving. A new seaway begins in East Africa. California slides north. Australia nudges Asia. Maps morph kilometer by kilometer. Life adapts fast. New species emerge. Old ones fade. Humans might thrive, transform, or vanish. Ecosystems shift with climate and land. Skies change. Constellations drift. Days grow seconds longer. Magnetic flips spark auroras. Impacts may scar continents, but Earth endures. Fast forward 100 million years. Earth's map transforms. Continents collide, seas shift, and unfamiliar shapes emerge. Tectonic drift reshapes boundaries. Possible outcomes include Africa closing the Mediterranean and Australia welding to Asia, while new mountains rise. Climate pivots. Supercontinent interiors swing between arid heat and mega monsoons as CO2 cycles and volcanism meet a slightly brighter sun. Life adapts. Lineages diverge. Ecosystems migrate. Reefs relocate. And new predators and pollinators evolve across shifting coasts and winds. Wildcards remain. Rare mega eruptions or large impacts can reset climates and biodiversity. Human traces fade to a thin geologic fingerprint.
1 billion years from now, our home world is alien, remade by a brighter sun and restless geology. Continents collide into a supercontinent. Interiors bake into vast deserts, while coasts endure supercharged storms and rising mountains. Solar luminosity climbs. A moist greenhouse intensifies. Oceans retreat, skies grow humid, and water begins escaping to space. Forests fade, photosynthesis falters. Hardy grasses and microbes hold on to caves, islands, and geothermal refuges. The moon drifts farther. days stretch to around 30 hours. Constellations reshape as Earth quietly endures its long transformation.
5 billion years from now, our sun swells. What becomes of Earth? In about 1 billion years, a brighter sun drives a runaway greenhouse. Oceans shrink, skies steam, complex life collapses. By around 3 to 4 billion years, water is gone. Atmosphere thins, tectonics fade, Earth becomes a scorched desert. Around 5 billion years, the sun swells into a red giant. Earth may be swallowed or survive in a charred, uninhabitable orbit. While Earth's fate is cosmic, our actions matter today. Cherish our 5 billion year head start and keep exploring the cosmos.
How many billion years until Earth is destroyed? Spoiler, it's billions, not millions. Within about 1 to 1.5 billion years, rising solar luminosity makes Earth uninhabitable. Around 5 to 7.5 billion years, the sun becomes a red giant, likely engulfing or scorching Earth. Models vary: tidal drag, solar mass loss, orbital expansion. But most predict Earth's surface vaporized. Earth's end is billions away, but habitability is fragile now. Our choices this century matter.